Is there any case that you've worked on in your past or recently that stood out to you as a particularly difficult case, or a case that taught you something that shifted how you practice?
I wouldn't say that shifted how I practice, but I have one that just really pissed me off. And
We like pissed off.
And I'm the kind of guy that enjoys getting pissed off, sort of, So, but in this case, I was representing a high school student that was on her way home from her grandmother's house, or she was on her way home from work to her grandmother's house. When she's stopping to turn left on a street when she's rear-ended by a construction vehicle, but it's so hard, the hit is so hard that it actually ejects her out of the back window. She goes out the back window, but she doesn't die. He never goes up to her. He gets on his phone, calls the company.
Before calling the cops?
Before calling the cops. So then the second thing that he does is he goes to the witnesses and he says, I did not see her lights on. Will you say that she did not have on her, which she did, by the way. So he went around trying to get people to give a story, which was false, by the way, and they told him, no, we saw the lights. He was like, well, I didn't see the lights, so will you say, so the police show up, and by the way, this guy was also CPR certified. And this is a high school girl. So it was just very infuriating. And they start going down that road, and he's almost got him until the cop walks up to this one guy. And he was like, I ain't lying for that guy. He was like, what are you talking about? He was like, she had her lights on. He asked me to say that she didn't have her lights on, and I saw that she had her lights on, But just the fact that this motherfucker was doing that, it just it was terrible. But it was just lie after fucking lie. After, this girl had a broken neck, by the way. She's now a quadriplegic.
Oh my gosh.
And they were doing everything they could to get out, but lying about it. And they had lots of insurance.
That case should have been titled Little Red Riding Hood. On her way to grandma's house, and a big bad wolf comes and rear ends her and leaves her on the side. The guy had CPR training, calls everybody and talks to everybody before the cops, and just leaves this young lady on the
die.